If I want $1 million in purchasing power 10 years from now, how many Bitcoins should I try to get today? I have to give huge credit for this question because it's a brilliant question, and Will Farrell is so excited to get it. If you guys know, this is the robe that I want, everybody. I'm trying to find one. If anybody knows where I can get one of these robes, let me know. It's brilliant, and I will stream in it. So this question is so good because it takes into account the knowledge that, yes, your purchasing power will debase over time, and $1 million is not $1 million as we go forward. So the math behind what $1 million today will be worth in 10 years in terms of purchasing power, right now, per my calculations, is $427,930. So a good bit less than half in 10 years, but it could be a lot worse if the money printing continues. So let's look at my model now. A Bitcoin to have 1 million in purchasing power by the year 2031 is exactly 2.83 Bitcoin, assuming that all of my model parameters actually continue. So there's so much to this, but think I could be wrong, I could be off, but normally it'll be pretty close to this. It may even be a lot worse. But basically, 1 Bitcoin purchasing power. Let me zoom into these numbers so I can see them and pull them up for you. The number to focus in on is 353,659. That will be the Bitcoin relative purchase power. Now, I did sandbag these numbers. 2031 price target of Bitcoin is 826. Is going to be a lot higher than $1 million probably in 2030, but just to sandbag it, and this is assuming only 30% growth over the next 10 years. Okay, not a lot of growth. It could go very exponential. I plan it will. But the point here is that $826,000 target in 2031 will only have a real purchasing power of 353. So to calculate the number of Bitcoin, you need to take $1 million divided by 353,659, and you get 2.83 Bitcoin. But again, I realize this might be very depressing for many people out there to think, okay, I've got $1 million in 2030, but it's really worth only 400,000. But this is the crazy world we live in today, and this is the impact of money printing.